Compound microscope. It is one of the most commonly used and by far the most suitable microscope in the biology lab. At one time, it employs one ocular eyepiece and one objective in working position. As such, it is known as monocular monoobjective microscope. Material required: a compound microscope, silk cloth, lens cleaning fluid, and lens cleaning paper. Procedure: place the microscope on working table and remove dust by wiping the body with silk cloth. Clean the lens with lens cleaning fluid and lens cleaning paper. Identify the various parts. Draw the diagram of microscope and label its various parts. Observations: a compound microscope consists of the following parts. Optical parts. Plano-concave mirror. It is a mirror having a plane mirror on one side and a concave mirror on the opposite side. The mirror is an adjustable mirror for focusing light. Biconcave mirror on the object which is placed on the stage. Objective. Objective is a lens situated at the lower end of a body tube. It may be 1x, 12x or 40x magnification. The objectives are attached to a revolving nose piece. Eyepiece or ocular. It contains lens to increase magnification. It may be replaced with another lens of lower or higher magnification. Eyepiece of the following magnification are generally used: 5x, 6x, 8x, 10x, 12x and 15x. Mechanical parts. Foot. It has a horseshoe shape metallic structure and it is the lower part of a microscope. Pillar. It arises from one side of a foot and is a solid structure. Arm. It is a curved stand joined to a pillar by means of an inclination point and bears stage and a body tube. It can be tilted on an inclination joint. Body tube. It is a cylindrical tube which can be moved up and down. On one end of a tube there is an eyepiece and a draw tube, and other end bears revolving nose piece with objectives. Draw tube. Draw tube is cylindrical tube with lesser diameter than the body tube and it is fitted to a upper end of a body tube. Upper end of draw tube holds the eyepiece. Nose piece. It permits interchange of low and high power objectives. Coarse adjustment screw. Rough adjustments of the distance of the tube from the object on the stage can be made by this screw. Body tube bears eyepiece and objectives, so they move along the body tube. Fine adjustment screw. Fine adjustment of distance can be made by the screw. Its main function is to make the focusing exact. Stage. It is a kind of platform having a circular hole in its middle. It supports the sliding over opening it admits light from mirror. Stage slits. There are two clips on one side of a stage. These holes slide firmly in place. Iris diagram. It regulates the amount of light passing through the material or specimen. Operation of microscope. Place the microscope on the table. See that all parts of the microscope are intact. Clean the stage and body of the microscope using a piece of neat cloth. Clean the mirror, objective and eyepiece with lens paper. Adjust the eyepiece and the objective lens in a line by rotating the nose piece. Always first use the lower power objective. Open the diaphragm of the condenser fully for passing the light on the stage. By using a coarse adjustment, raise the objective about 3 by 4 inch above the stage. Look through the eyepiece and tilt the mirror toward the light source. Adjust its position so that it reflects light upward through the hole in the stage. By doing this, you will get a bright, uniform illumination circular field in the microscope. Place the slide to be examined on the stage above the hole and clip it. Look through the eyepiece and adjust with the help of coarse adjustment screw till the object is clear visible. Make the focus sharp with the help of fine adjustment knob. Note of caution: if the object is to be examined under high power, first focus it under low power and then change to high power objective. By rotating the nose piece, only slight manipulation or fine adjustment will be needed to bring the object into focus. Never try to focus directly under high power. Precautions: in connection with the power use, of the compound microscope, there are several precautions that should be noted. When moved from one place to another, the microscope should always be held in upright position. Never keep the microscope on the edge of the table to prevent its accidental fall on the ground. Never touch the lens of the microscope with hands. To clean the lens in the ocular and objective, use only the lens paper. Do not allow direct sun rays to strike the mirror. Plain mirror is used for natural daylight and concave mirror for the artificial light.